Welcome back, guys, to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my $550 PC build guide. So first, if you hear any noise, it's probably the laptop making that noise. And make sure to subscribe and like, and let's get right into it, starting with a AMD Ryzen 5 1600 processor. It's a 6-core 12-thread processor, and it is 3.2 gigahertz and it can boost clock to 3.6 gigahertz. At the price tag of $150 for 6 cores and 12 threads, you're getting really good computing power, and it's really cheap. Since Ryzen 3 and Athlon, Ryzen 3 processors are super expensive, and Athlons I don't think are really suited for gaming. So yeah. Next we have a ASRock B450 Pro 4 Micro ATX motherboard. I like this motherboard because it's only the price tag of $64, and it comes with 4 slots of memory, and it could hold up to 64 gigs of RAM, which is pretty good, like if you want to upgrade down the line. And it comes with 2 USB ports, a keyboard and mouse port, DVI, something else, and HDMI. It has USB-C, at least either 2, 4, or 5 USB 3 ports, or I think that's USB 2, but it's just blue. So 3 USBs and 4 USB 3.0. Ethernet and your standard audio jacks. So that's why I chose that. And then next we have the memories, a TeamT4 16 gigabytes. It's a dual channel kit, which makes use of our motherboard, and it makes when you're gaming, it provides a lot more FPS, which is frames per second, and it's DDR4 clocked at 32 megahertz, suited well for a Ryzen 5 1600 processor. I couldn't fit a 3600 speed into this build because it was a little bit too expensive. But if you had a $600 build, you could probably upgrade this to 3600 speed. And next we have our Western Digital 1 terabyte 3.5 inch 72 RPM internal hard drive. It's only $40 and you get 1 terabyte. And if you do have a $600 budget, you can always upgrade to a SSD. Our video card is a GeForce 1650 4GB model, and that you can overclock it for $150. Which I think this is a steal of a graphics card, and since we're only doing a $550 budget. You can probably, I'm not going to get into that. Alright, for the cases, there's the Decool case. It's a Micro ATX mini tower case. It's only $35, and it comes with, right here, pre-installed one at rear and optimal. It comes with 1 fan, which should be okay, and it's only $35. And next we have the power supply, a EVGA 500 watt 80 plus bronze certified semi-modular ATX power supply. It's semi-modular, so you can take some of the cables out, and 80 plus is what you want for efficiency, or anything like 80 plus gold, titanium, or anything like that. Just no certified, or you don't really want 80 plus. and this all comes to a total of $563.43. When you get deals, you could probably get deals for some of these parts, and it'll lower the cost. Maybe you'll get it from $563. Maybe you'll get it until like $525. But you do have to wait a little bit longer for the deals, or you could just, if Black Friday or Boxing Day is right around the corner, you could wait for those, and you can get these parts. Which for when I'm posting this video, it's gonna be close to Boxing Day. So yeah, this is my $563.43 build guide. Guide, not guide. Okay. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you think you could make it better, or you could get the costs lower. So stay tuned for more videos, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.